Hey everyone, today, I'm diving into a secret weapon for weight loss that most people overlook, soluble fiber. Stick around because I've got 3 science-backed hacks from 2025 that could transform your weight loss journey. So, did you know that a 2025 study by Nature Metabolism showed that over 90% of dieters are missing out on the benefits of soluble fiber? Yep, it's true. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some game-changing tips. Fiber Fix, if you've ever felt hungry after supposedly healthy meals. First up, let's talk about oat beta-glucan. According to a 2025 Cambridge trial, consuming just 10 grams of beta-glucan in the morning can boost your GLP-1 satiety hormones by a whopping 137%. Here's a quick trick. Try the layered hydration method. Mix oats with chia seeds and psyllium husk. A teacher in the study said this combo totally killed her 11 a.m. cravings. Next, we have apple pectin. Stanford researchers discovered that pairing apple pectin with green tea can double the production of SCFAs, which are essential for gut health. And here's a pro tip: use unpeeled organic apples. The peel has 400% more pectin. Finally, let's talk about flaxseed mucilage. MIT researchers found that consuming 15 grams of flax mucilage daily can reduce visceral fat by 18%. Plus, it helps bind excess estrogen, balancing your hormones. Dr. Sarah Lynn, a metabolic engineer, says your weight loss isn't stalled, it just needs strategic soluble fiber. Soluble fiber calculator, fiber targets, SCFA boosting recipes, a hormone balance tracker, MIT meal plans, Harvard tracking sheets. So smash that subscribe button, and let's upgrade your metabolism together. Your body will thank you. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who could use a soluble fiber boost in their life. See you next time.